Hello little friends, let's learn all about the festival of Holi. Did you know that Holi is also called the festival of colors? I am now going to tell you the mythological tales as to why Holi is celebrated with so much joy and laughter all over India. Many years ago, in the ancient land of India, there was a powerful king named Hiranyakashipu. He wanted to live forever, so he prayed to Lord Brahma to fulfill his wish, and soon it was granted to him. However, instead of using his power for good, he became cruel and punished anyone who didn't worship him. His own son Prahlad was a devotee of Lord Vishnu and refused to worship his father. This made Hiranyakashipu very angry and he tried to kill his own son. He asked the help of his sister Holika, who claimed she couldn't be harmed by fire. They planned to burn Prahlad alive in a fire. Holika put Prahlad on her lap and sat on the burning pyre. Prahlad continuously prayed to Lord Vishnu. Do you know what happened next? Just when the fire was lit, a miracle occurred. Lord Vishnu, seeing Prahlad's unwavering faith and goodness, appeared and saved him from the flames. Prahlad remained unharmed, while Holika was burnt in the fire, and Hiranyakashipu was punished. With the blessings of Lord Vishnu, Prahlad was saved, and Hiranyakashipu and Holika's evil plan was defeated. So children, this story teaches us that good always wins over evil. Now, let me tell you another enchanting tale of Holi. It's the story of Lord Krishna and his beloved Radha. Krishna, with his mischievous smile, loved to play pranks during Holi. He would sneak up on Radha and splash her with colors, filling the air with laughter and joy. Together, they painted the sky with hues of love and happiness, showing everyone the true essence of Holi. And so, every year, people celebrate this victory of good over evil and the devotional love of Lord Krishna and Radha with the festival of Holi. But how do they celebrate it? All over India, people come together to smear each other with vibrant colors and splash water on each other, spreading love and happiness. Along with adults, little kids like you enjoy this fun-filled festival. They fill up their water guns called pichkaris, grab handfuls of colourful powders or gulal, and even water balloons or gubbare and splash them on their friends and family, shouting with joy. Everyone, including adults and children, enjoy eating tasty treats that are especially prepared for this festival, like gujiyas filled with raisins and delicious samosas. Hope you enjoyed learning about this beautiful festival of colors. Like, share and subscribe for more fun videos. It's bye for now and see you next time.